Good morning, grade 3. All right, we are going to continue our multiplication journey. If you need extra practice or extra help with any of the multiplication that we've done so far, just let me know. I'll also post which pages work in our math practice book so that you can use those for extra practice as well. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so for our last lesson, we talked about arrays. So just as an example, we have our multiplication sentence. Let me get my pen ready here. That shows us 4 times 3. That's right here. So 4 times 3, that tells me I have 4 rows, and there's 3 in each row. So here's a row, because remember, rows go across. These are all rows. So I have 4 rows there, and in each row, I have 3 circles. Now, there is another way that I can draw this one. So let's take a look. Instead of 4 rows of 3, I could do 3 rows of 4. So, oops, come on, pen. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a row of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I would probably put them closer together, but that just gives you an idea of here I have 3 rows, and each one has 4 inside of it. Okay? All right, so I want you to give these a try. You can pause this now. It's not something you have to submit to me, but I would like you to try it. So you can pause it, give them a try. And when I start to count down, that's when I'm going to show you how to answer them, okay? All right, I'm going to show you the answers in 3, 2, and 1. So this top one up here, I could write this as, let's see, I've got a row here, and here, and here. So I could say I have 3 rows, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row. So I could say 3 times 4. Also, I could talk about what the answer is. 3 times 4, we know 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 more is 12. Another way I could write this is I have 4 columns and 3 in each of those columns, okay? The answer is still 12. I should probably use a different color than purple so you can see this a bit better. I'll use light blue. How about? All right, so this next one here, I have 1, 2, 3 rows. And in each one I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. Another way I could say that is I have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and each one there are 3 trucks. And lastly down here, I have cubes, and I have 1, 2, 3, look at that, 3 rows again, with 4 cubes in each row. So I can also do it like that, okay? All right, so today we're going to talk about the 3 and 4 times tables. Last day we talked about the 1, 2, and 5, and really it's just practice. I'll make sure to send home some flashcards that you can flip to practice as well, okay? So let's get started. So with the 3 times table, you can skip count by 3s to help you. We know how to skip count by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. Remember, when we're doing this, all we're doing, let me just move this guy out of the way too. There we go. Is we're just adding 3 each time if we're skip counting by 3. That's the easiest way to remember. If you're having trouble remembering what number comes next, and you know you're multiplying by 3 or skip counting by 3, just remember to add 3 more, okay? So 3 times 0 is 0. That's because anything multiplied by 0 is 0, because I'm saying I have 3 this many times, 0 times, no times at all. So there's no 3 there. This is saying I have 3 1 time, so there's 1 3. This is saying I have 3 2 times, so 2 3s together gives me 6. This is saying I have 3 3 times, so 3 3s together gives me 9. That's the same as saying 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, and so on and so forth. So that's something that you can try out. You can try practicing, maybe put those in your book if you'd like to help you remember, okay? Come on, there we go. Next is the 4 times table. Once again, we can skip count. So like I said, skip counting, come on little pen thing, there we go, is just adding 4 more here. So for skip counting by 4, we're just adding 4 more each time. So here, they missed this. What do you think that is? If you said 0, you're correct, because I'm saying I have 4 0 times. I don't have any 4s. I have 4 1 time. I have 4 2 times. So that's the same as saying 4 plus 4, and so on. Okay, so you can give that a try as well. You can even try drawing some arrays for these to help you. All right, so now on Prodigy, I have assigned you 50 questions. So what that means is while you're playing, the questions that you get will be the questions that I have chosen, and they are from the 3 and 4 times tables. You can see if you can find me. I'm going to try and be in landlubber today, okay? Have lots of fun, grade 3.